1979 Excalibur Phaeton Series 3. Price, $14,750. Location, Ontario. The 1979 Excalibur Phaeton Series 3 is a car that instantly transports you back to the golden age of luxury motoring. With its breathtaking neo-classic design, long sweeping fenders, gleaming chrome accents, and unmistakable presence, this rare automobile looks like it rolled straight out of a Hollywood movie set. Yet beneath its vintage-inspired appearance lies the engineering and comfort of a more modern era. The stunning white exterior paired with a vibrant red interior creates a combination that is impossible to ignore. Every detail of this Excalibur was designed to make a statement, from the elegant wire wheels to the dramatic dual side-mounted spare tires. Whether parked at a car show or cruising down the highway, this vehicle commands attention from everyone who sees it. The heart of this luxury cruiser is a powerful V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering effortless performance and a smooth driving experience. Unlike many antique automobiles, the Excalibur offers the charm of a pre-war classic while providing the convenience and reliability that drivers expect from a grand touring machine. The dual exhaust system and sporty side pipes add an extra layer of excitement to every journey. The removable hardtop gives owners the freedom to enjoy open-air driving whenever the weather is perfect. Imagine taking this magnificent automobile on a weekend road trip, listening to the rumble of the V8 while enjoying the scenery. Features such as VDO gauges, wind deflectors, map pockets, exterior mirrors, and a rear luggage rack make this classic both practical and luxurious. The most fascinating part of this 1979 Excalibur is its incredible potential as a project car. Showing just 21,105 miles, it offers a unique opportunity for collectors, restorers, and enthusiasts to bring a truly special vehicle back to its full glory. Whether you choose a factory-correct restoration or a personalized custom build, the possibilities are nearly endless. The Excalibur brand has always been associated with exclusivity, craftsmanship, and prestige. These hand-built automobiles were never produced in large numbers, making surviving examples increasingly desirable among collectors worldwide. Owning one is more than owning a car, it is owning a rolling piece of automotive history. The combination of timeless styling, V8 power, luxury features, and restoration potential makes this 1979 Excalibur Phaeton Series 3 an extraordinary find. At an asking price of just $14,750, it represents an opportunity that may not come around again. For anyone dreaming of owning one of the most distinctive neo-classic automobiles ever built, this remarkable Excalibur could be the perfect addition to their collection.